Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook keeps logging out automatically. If you're using Facebook and your Facebook keeps you logging out automatically, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you're connected to stable internet connection because sometimes it might be that your connection will not be stable and you can easily find these type issues. So you must have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Then go back and here you have to open up your settings. In settings, go for general and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with your VPN and then retry. Or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, so sometime it might be there will be any app update of software of your Facebook app. So you just have to open up your app store and here simply go to search in the bottom right corner and you have to search for Facebook from here. Once you have searched, you will get the Facebook app and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available in your software Facebook app, or if you have any update you have to try to update your app. Once you have updated your app, so it might be that it will almost fix your issue, or if you're still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to simply keep a long press on your Facebook app, then tap on remove app and then enter your passcode, then select delete app, then select delete again and your Facebook app will be deleted. Once you have deleted your Facebook app, open up your app store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Facebook and you have to try to reinstall your Facebook app. And once you have reinstalled, you can easily use your Facebook app without any issue because sometimes it might be there will be any bug into your Facebook app. So after reinstallation, your all of bugs will be fixed and you can easily use your Facebook app without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.